See, people always try to search for what they want instead of try to analyze what the industry wants. For example, if I posted a job today and if I got only 10 applications, it doesn't mean there are only 10 people in the market. So how you have to look at it is how many number of jobs are getting posted on an average per month in the market for specific role, let's say BA, and how many people are there in the market searching for BA roles, and number of jobs by number of job seekers in BA. If you calculate that way, then the ratio comes to 1 for one job. Literally, there are about 5,000 people who are competing to get that job. This is how you have to look at it, not based on the number of applications. Because if you are a serious BA and you don't see that post and you don't apply, does it mean that there is no job seeker like you in the market? No.